UPSC na lauba Civil Servicemen Examination gi Center lauthorakpada hanba oina Imphal Yaohallakpagi Damak Rajya Sabha gi MP Ningthau Sana Jawba Laisembana Prime Minister Narendra Modi bu Thagatpa Fongdokhre MP Ningthau Sana Jawba Laisembana mahaki Facebook account ta Prime Minister Narendra Modi bu Thagatpa Fongdokladuna hai Kumjali Singani Kunmathoi gi March thada phangkhiba Parliament mifamda UPSC natraga masiga manaba exam singi center pibada Manipur gi Imphal su yauhanaba masamagna special mention oina pukhatuna taksinki masigi sumathakta kumjali singani kunithoi gi August ki tang 10 da issue asigi matangda chap chaba thabak paikhatnaba Prime Minister da aiba cherol ama thaduna ningsingki hairiba cherol aduda UPSC na lauba Civil Servicemen Examination thagadaba sel thungi phibam phatraba Manipur gi mahairoi singna India gi atopa city singda chatpada awaba mayoknare Manipur gi mahairoi singna thengnariba khudong chadaba asida miteng changduna Imphal su Civil Servicemen Exam gi center oihanbada mathau taba thabak sing paikhatnaba taksinki loinana Manipuri language amadi literature bu optional paper oina exam thariba Manipur gi candidate singna Bengali mayekta tangai fadana exam asigi answer idaba yadaba gi khudong chadaba Kayasu mayok nari haiba wafam sing Prime Minister da khanghan ki hairi kumjali singani kulhumdoi gi February gi tang 9 da phangkhiba Parliament mifamda Civil Service ke exam da Manipuri optional paper gi answer ibada Bengali mayek amadi maichai mayek animakta iba yahanabagi matang da so special mention oina pukhatuna taksinki hairiba exam asigi answer ibada maichai mayek amadi Bengali mayek animakta ibagi ayaba ado Union Government na pirakhi MP Ningthau Sana Jawbana makhatana hai tha sige haukiba tang mapanda phangkiba Parliament mifam gi budget session manungda UPSC examination gi Manipuri optional question paper da maitai mayek yauhanaba 0 wargi khudong chaba lauraga mari leinaba singda taksin balaikre housing maki oina di hariba question paper singasi Bengali mayek khaktabda namli masina maitai mayek khaktamak tamlaba Manipur gi mahairoi singda aduki mati awaba mayoknari Manipur gi mahairoi singna thengnariba khudong chadaba sing asigi yenglaga India lengang na hiram asigi matangda chap chaba thabak laukhalakani haibagi achetpa thajaba lei hainasu mahagna thamki Civil Service amadi at UPSC na lauba exam singi center da Imphal Yaohallakpa asigi damak Civil Service thanabagi sem sariba candidate singi mahut sillaga Prime Minister Narendra Modi bu Thagatpa Fongdokhre maraksida Civil Servicemen Exam gi center lauthorakpada Imphal yaurakhiba adugi Damak Rajya Sabha gi MP Ningthau Sana Jawba Laisembabu maikai kayadagi lepa leitana Thagatpa Fongdoknarakli.
My special mention is demand to open UPSC or similar examination center in Manipur, Imphal. Every year, many aspirant students of Manipur are appearing UPSC prelim examination in Manipur. But at the time of men's examination, the examination center has been shifted from Imphal to Aizawl, Shillong and Guwahati for reasons not known. This makes the poor and middle class aspirant candidates very disappointed and unaffordable for expenses in travelling, lodging and fooding etc. Therefore, I, on behalf of the students of Manipur, urge the government of India to open the examination center of UPSC or similar examination in Manipur, Imphal as soon as possible.